Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Siyab and you're watching my YouTube channel Siyab in Korea. In today's video, I will talk about Palermo University scholarships and the application procedure. Palermo University is one of the top universities in Italy. You don't need any IELTS or application fees to apply for the University of Palermo. And a lot of scholarships are available. Before I start the video and tell you guys each and everything about the scholarships, the application procedures, if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the latest updates. Also give a big like to this video because I'm making a lot of efforts for you guys to make such kind of videos and guide you through the application procedures step by step. So let's start. As you guys can see on my screen that this is the official website of University of Palermo. First, I will talk a little bit about the available scholarships. The first scholarship which is available in this university is ERSU scholarship. This is the most prestigious scholarship of this university. This is called the regional scholarship of this university. If you can get this scholarship will cover your tuition fee. They will give you yearly 7,000 to 8,000 euros per year. And also they will give you subsidized meals like on campus. If you eat in any cafeteria, then you will get meals cheaper than other students. The next scholarship which is available in this university is Transactional Education Scholarship. This scholarship was for 2025 and 2026 this year as well. The scholarship will open and this is for special subjects. The next scholarship which is available in this university is MAECI scholarship. MAECI scholarship is actually the Italian government scholarship. If you can win the MAECI scholarship, this scholarship will also cover your tuition fee. They will give you a free dormitory as well as they will provide you subsidized meals and some kind of stipend. The next scholarship which is available in this university is CRUI scholarship. You guys can apply for this scholarship as well. Total 100 scholarships are available under this program. For more details of this scholarship, you guys need to visit the CRUI official website. This scholarship is actually for the students who are currently living in Italy as a refuge. The next scholarship which is available is for the plus 10 students. The next scholarship which is available in this university is UNICOR scholarship. You guys can apply for this scholarship as well. The other scholarships are available as well like joint scholarship which is known as Erasmus Mundus scholarship as well. So these were all the available scholarships of this university, but keep in mind that you guys cannot apply for any scholarship until you get admission in the university. Only you can directly apply for the joint scholarship which is called as Erasmus Mundus scholarship before application. To apply for this university, first we need to visit this website. I will give you the link of this website in description of this video. First we have two options here. Number one option is extra EU students and number two is intra EU students. So we are non-EU students, so we will click on the extra EU students. If you are from EU, like the European Union, you have to click on the intra-EU students. When we visit this website, we can see that currently the admissions are open for bachelor's and master's degree candidates. You don't need any IELTS or application fees. You guys can apply with English proficiency certificate and there is no any application fees while applying for this university. So you guys can see on my screen that the admissions are currently open for bachelor's and master's degree candidates. And you guys can see that what documents you need. You need a valid passport, you need a passport size photo, you need a copy of the bachelor's degree if you are applying for a master's degree, and if you are applying for an undergraduate course, you guys need your intermediate level transcript and degree certificate. You need an official language certificate B2, but if you don't have any official certificate like IELTS or TOEFL, you guys can apply with an English proficiency certificate from your previous school or university. So here we guys can see that this is the procedure for the bachelors. For the bachelors, first of all, you need to check your course, whether your course is available or not. After that, we have to prepare all our documents in the PDF form. After that, the next section is register ourselves on the website, and after that we have to apply and submit our application. After submitting our application on this website, we have to wait for the evaluation. If we successfully pass the evaluation, after that, the university will send us an email to do our pre-enrollment, and we will have to do our pre-enrollment on the University website. First of all, I will show you guys all the available courses. Currently, these 4 courses are available for the non-EU students: the nursing course, the industrial and information engineering, economics and finance, economics, and international cooperation for sustainable development. So just these 4 courses are currently open for the bachelor's degree candidates. For the master's degree candidates, a lot of courses are available. As you guys can see on my screen, these courses are currently open for the applications. So for the bachelor's, just 4 courses available, but for the master's, very huge number of courses are available, as you guys can see on my screen. To apply for this university, first of all, we need to do our registration. So we will have to click on the given link to go to the official website and register ourselves on this website. First of all, the first section is for the Italian students. So we don't have to click on that. We will have to click on the second, the international student option. Directly, simply, we need to click on continue. When we click on continue, we will proceed to the next page. And next page, we will have to simply enter our personal data like our first name, last name, birth date, gender, whether you're a male or a female. You have to enter your passport number, and then other information like your email, and confirm your email. After that, we will have to click on I'm not a robot, and then we will click on next. So in this way, we have to register ourselves, as I have already an account, so I cannot register again. After registration on this website, the university will send you an automatic email. You have to confirm your account. After confirming your account, you can log into your account by using the official website of this university. To log into our portal, we will have to back to our original page, and after that, we will have to click on tutorial registration PDF. We have to click on that to open a tutorial for us that how we guys can register. When you scroll down in that PDF, in the last page, there will be a student portal link. You guys need to click on that. When you click on that, you will be redirected to the student portal. When you log into the student portal, you will see such kind of interface, as you guys can see on my screen. You guys will see your name, your username, your password, or whatever, like your personal information here. After seeing your personal information, there will be an option on this page that your information are not verified. So you guys will have to verify your phone number as well as your email address. To apply for the university, we will have to click on the student portal simply. When we click on the student portal, this will redirect us to the student portal where we can apply for the University of Palermo. We will have to scroll down a little bit. After that, we will have to click on studying at the University of Palermo. We can see all the available details here on this website. After that, simply we need to look into the first option, new application form. We will have to click on the new application or my application. When I click on the new application form, you guys can see on my screen that I cannot submit a new application because I have already an old application. If you have an old application, first of all, you need to delete your old application. After that, you can apply for a new application. So I have to go to my application, and after that, I will delete my old application, which I submitted in 2025. So I need to remove that application first. After that, I will be able to submit a new application. As you guys can see on my screen that I have successfully deleted my previous application. Now I will have to go to the new application, and after that I can easily apply. You guys can see that the new application appear on my screen. I will have simply to click on new application form. When I click on new application form, there are a lot of options, but the most important option for us is enrollment. We will have to click on completion of enrollment and cause of enrollment. You guys can see here that it's written the enrollments are currently open for bachelor's and master's degree candidates. As I want to apply for a bachelor's degree, so I will click on bachelor's. After that, I will have to choose my program, which program I want to apply. Like I want to apply for a master's or bachelor's degree, or any other program. So I have chosen masters and bachelors. After that, it's written that have you ever been previously enrolled at an Italian university? If you ever studied before or enrolled to any Italian university, then you guys can mention about it. But I never enrolled, so I will say no. If you ever enrolled to any university, you guys can mention. For example, I enrolled to University of Milan in 2025, so I mentioned about it. After that, we will have to move to the next section of the application, which is degree program type. Which degree program you want to apply? You want to apply for a bachelor's degree or a master's degree? So I chosen my bachelor's degree and I choose the program of bachelor's degree. After that, you will have to choose any program from the given programs. As I said before, only 4 programs are available currently for bachelor's, and a lot of programs are available for masters. So before you apply for any course, you will have to check whether it's open or not. Because in this section, they will show you all the courses of the university, but you cannot enroll for other courses. You can just enroll for the courses which are currently open. As you guys can see that I select a random course. They say that you cannot register for this course because this course is currently not available for enrollment. As I choose a program which is available and then I click on next, you guys can see that my application successfully proceed to the next section and they accept this course because this course is currently available in this university. After that, you guys can see all the available details and then you will have to click on create application form. After that, they will create an application form for you guys. You guys will have to write your motivation here, that why you guys want to apply for this university. And after that, you guys need to upload your high school certificate and all your documents in this section. So the most important part here is your motivation letter. Even if your CGPA is low, you guys need to write a strong motivation letter, that why you guys want to study in this university, why you guys want to study in Italy, why you guys want to study this course. So you guys need to write a strong motivation and connect it with your past experience, and you guys need to connect it with your future, that why you guys want to do this course and what will be the benefits of this course for you guys in future, and why you guys want to study in this university and in this specific country, because there are a lot of countries around the world, but you just chosen Italy. Why you chosen Italy to study your degree? So you guys need to spend a little bit time on this and you guys need to write a strong motivation letter. After that, you guys need to upload all your available documents. If you don't upload your available documents, you cannot proceed to the next section. So you guys need to upload all your documents one by one, like your passport, your high school certificate, your high school transcript. If you don't have your high school certificate and transcript, you guys can apply with Hope certificate as well. You guys need to upload your Hope certificate. After that, you guys need to upload all the documents which are written here. And there are some optional documents as well. If you have any other certificates, you can upload in the optional section. After uploading all your documents, you guys need to click on confirm and then continue to the next stage. You guys can see here that I have uploaded all my documents and these are visible on my screen as well. You guys need all these documents, so you guys can note down as well. You need all the given documents. These documents are mandatory. After that, you guys need to proceed to the next section, but I don't know why they blocked my application here. I cannot proceed to the next section. After that, you guys need to continue your application in similar way. The last stage, you guys just simply need to submit your application. But actually, I think I was trying in the night. That's why I was not able to submit my application. Try to submit your application in the weekdays. I think because of the weekends, I was not able to submit my application. So if you guys are facing any problem after that, I think there are nothing after that. Just you need to submit your application in the next step. So if you guys face any problem while applying for this university, let me know in comment section. I'm here to help you all. Thank you guys for watching my video until last. I'll be making such kind of videos for you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the latest updates. Thank you.